Hello, ladies and gentlemen. Welcome to today's YouTube channel, Wanderum 2.0.
It is 6:20 in the morning. Bad weather again. Too much of wind.
We have been experiencing bad weather since the morning.
In different corners, never finding a place to stay. Somehow ended up here.
So cold.
Brother, help me up. I've fallen down. I know that I've hurt.
I don't think we will be able to go ahead with this weather because it is very bad weather and it is closed all the ways. Our tents are fully covered with snow. We supposed to go to Camp 1 and then come back to base camp today by 12 o'clock, but weather is like this.
Been lost far too long. I can't see. I'm trapped in darkness. Life has turned its back on me.
The situation is beyond our control, and the weather has taken us by surprise, overwhelming us. We decided to rest and take a moment to enjoy it.
Have you ever felt like someone who's meant to be somewhere else? Caught inside a state of mind where nothing is really making sense. That's why I've been left here on the ground. Sister, help me up. I've fallen down. I've been lost far too long. I can't see. I'm
We supposed to leave from base camp today to Camp 1 and then come back rest here. It's kind of load ferry. I don't think we will be able to go because there is no way. Snow is everywhere. It is too much of the snowfall. We will not be able to go. It can be considered as a bad weather, but we are enjoying. This is my proper first time snowfall.
कैमरामैन रमीज के साथ लाल चौक कराची।
वो कौन सा मूवी था?
भाईजान ये देखो बंद हो गया है।
Taking shelter in different corners, never finding a place to stay. Somehow ended up here on the ground.
The weather is getting better. Sun is out little.
खुल रहा है वेदर, खुल रहा है यार, सही हो जाएगा। बारिश होने दी होगी।
Look at this now.
अरे ये सही नहीं हो रहा। 16 हो जाए।
Know that I've hurt the ones that I hold dear, the ones I love. Thought that I would find the answers, drinking till my feet felt numb, just like fire.
खाने नहीं मिला? बंदे। Sleepy. Sleepy. Yesterday night it did not let me sleep. It kept poking my tent. I got scared. क्यों किया ऐसे?
I can't see. I'm trapped in darkness. Life has
Breathtaking views after a long snowfall, and that's when, if you can see, that is Bali Pass, and these are all virgin mountains that nobody have climbed till now, and that's where Black Peak is, and this one is Bandapooch, and this one is Swargroini. Cornflakes and दूध.
रोज निकाल लेते हैं, खाने में अच्छा लगेगा, बाउल भी गर्म है।
Within a couple of hours, the sun came out and the weather cleared up. We were ready to continue our journey.
I've been lost for too long.
Half of the luggage we are carrying it to Campen and we will keep it there and come back. Remaining luggage is here that we will carry tomorrow, and whatever unnecessary is there we are leaving at the base camp.
Back on me it would seem, brother, help me up, I've fallen down. Brother, help me up, I've fallen down.
It's only a 4 kilometers journey, but the roads are non-existent. The leading team has gone ahead to make a path for us.
रास्ता बन रहा आपके लिए। आराम से आगे मत देखो, रास्ता देखो, रास्ता बेकार है ना, कहीं गड्ढे है कहीं क्या है। हाँ वही बोल रहा हूँ ना, वो देखना चाहिए, क्योंकि कहीं सीधा पैर मुड़ जाता है। हाँ, लो।
We started experiencing snowfall again. आपका नाम क्या है? शेरपा? He is our Sherpa. Snowball. We are finally using poncho. All the way through these boulders there and here.
The terrain is flooded by landslides, resulting in continuous ascents and descents.
लेफ्ट जाओ, नहीं वहीं से, हाँ यहाँ से आ जाओ ऐसे, आ जाओ सीधे आ जाओ, बस आते रहो बस। यस नहीं चलो
Ways are getting tougher. You have to go down, up many boulders. For me especially, descending is comfortable than ascending. In this cases, ascending I'm not able to do at all. I'm unable to control my breath. We will be walking on this glacier now. We just need to follow the footmarks left by fellow passengers. We have come all the way through the glacier, relaxing here for a while. We have reached to Camp 1. We will unload the luggage and keep it here. We will go back to base camp. We are returning back to our base camp. The weather is getting bad every now and then. We relaxed here for a while. There's continuous snowfall today. This is how the way have become now, and we have to find the way in order to reach that base camp. Still snowfall is happening. It's 2 o'clock in the afternoon. I started my day that I love snowfall. Now I'll end my day I hate snowfall because entire 5 kilometers what we have descended is full of snowfall. There is no gap. We are about to reach our campsite. We started at 9 o'clock, is it? So we started at 9 o'clock.
I've been running.
Our tents were fully covered by snowfall by the time we were returned.
Away, seeking shelter in different corners, never finding.
This is my tent at 4 o'clock.
Somehow ended up here on the ground.
Restroom is flew away. All our tents are super frozen, and I am actually a person who is very fond of snowfall, but today we have almost hiked in the snowfall for 3 hours. Almost 4 kilometers of stretch, and it was very bad weather. All our tents are fully frozen. I've just cleared it. It is very cold. I don't think we will be able to do anything in the evening. It's 4 o'clock in the evening.
That's all about our day 5 journey of Lord Ferry to Camp 1. Let's meet again in my next video where we will be completely moving to Camp 1. Thank you once again for watching till the end. Bye.